Welcome back to Traveling Kangaroo. Today we have an exciting adventure lined up for you. Today we journey to the heart of the Pacific, exploring the beautiful Hawaiian Islands. This archipelago, known for its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture, is a dream destination for many travelers. This archipelago, a paradise of volcanic peaks and turquoise waters, holds a captivating story of human settlement and natural wonders. From the majestic volcanic peaks that rise dramatically from the ocean to the serene turquoise waters that surround them, Hawaii is a place of breathtaking beauty and rich history. While each island boasts unique beauty, the population distribution reveals a striking disparity. Some islands are bustling with activity, while others remain tranquil and sparsely populated. This uneven population distribution is a fascinating aspect of Hawaii's story. Why do so many people gravitate towards certain islands while others remain sparsely populated? The reasons are multifaceted, involving historical events, economic opportunities, and geographical factors. Honolulu, for example, is a bustling metropolis with a vibrant economy, attracting many residents and visitors. In contrast, some of the smaller islands offer a quieter, more secluded lifestyle. Let's delve into the fascinating reasons behind this uneven distribution, exploring the history, geography, and unique challenges that shape life on these enchanting islands. From the ancient Polynesian settlers who first arrived on these shores to the modern-day challenges of living in a remote island paradise, Hawaii's story is one of resilience and adaptation. We'll look at how the island's geography influences where people live, the economic opportunities that draw people to certain areas, and the cultural factors that make each island unique. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Hawaii's population distribution and discover what makes this island paradise so special. The Hawaiian Islands have witnessed dramatic transformations throughout their history. From the lush, verdant landscapes that have remained largely unchanged for centuries, to the bustling modern cities that now dot the archipelago, Hawaii's journey is a fascinating tale of resilience, adaptation, and cultural fusion. Once ruled by powerful monarchs, the islands navigated a complex relationship with the United States. The Hawaiian Kingdom, established in 1795 by King Kamehameha I, was a sovereign nation with its own unique traditions and governance. Queen Liliuokalani, the last reigning monarch, sought to preserve the independence and cultural heritage of her people amidst growing foreign influence. In 1898, Hawaii was annexed as a U.S. territory, a move that continues to spark debate and reflection. The annexation was driven by strategic and economic interests, particularly the island's valuable location in the Pacific and its thriving sugar industry. This period marked a significant shift in the island's political landscape, as native Hawaiians grappled with the loss of their sovereignty. Statehood followed in 1959, marking a new era for the islands. The transition to statehood was celebrated with great fanfare, symbolizing a new chapter in Hawaii's history. However, it also brought about new challenges and opportunities, as the islands integrated more fully into the United States while striving to maintain their unique cultural identity. This complex past, intertwined with the rich cultural heritage of the indigenous Hawaiian people, plays a crucial role in understanding the modern demographic landscape. The traditions, languages, and customs of the native Hawaiians continue to thrive, offering a vibrant counterpoint to the island's modern developments. Today, Hawaii stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its people, a place where ancient traditions and contemporary life coexist in a delicate balance. Oahu, home to the vibrant city of Honolulu, stands as the most populous island, claiming nearly 70% of Hawaii's total population. This bustling hub serves as the state's economic and political center, attracting residents and visitors alike. The allure of urban amenities, job opportunities, and cultural attractions creates a magnetic pull, drawing people to Oahu's shores. Oahu's dominance can be partly attributed to its geography. Born from volcanic fire, the island boasts a diverse landscape, from rugged mountains to fertile valleys. Crucially, Oahu possesses a natural deepwater harbor in Pearl Harbor. This strategic advantage transformed the island into a hub for trade, military activity, and eventually tourism. Section 5. Challenges in Paradise, the Neighbor Islands. While Oahu thrives, the other islands, often referred to as the neighbor islands, face unique development challenges. The Big Island, Maui, Kauai, and Molokai each possess their own allure, from volcanic landscapes to lush rainforests. However, factors like limited job opportunities, infrastructure constraints, and the high cost of living pose significant hurdles to population growth. Section 6. Kaho'olawe, a sacred island in recovery. Kaho'olawe, the smallest of the 8 main islands, presents a unique case. Once used as a bombing range by the United States military, the island suffered extensive environmental damage. Returned to the state of Hawaii in 1994, Kaho'olawe is now a designated nature reserve, undergoing a long and arduous process of restoration. Access is restricted, and the island serves as a powerful symbol of resilience and cultural renewal. Section 7. Infrastructure and the price of paradise. The disparity in population density highlights the crucial role of infrastructure. Oahu benefits from a well-developed network of roads, airports, and utilities, supporting its large population and thriving economy. In contrast, the neighbor islands often grapple with limited infrastructure, leading to higher costs for basic necessities and posing challenges for economic diversification. Section 8. Housing, climate, and the future of the islands. The Hawaiian Islands face pressing contemporary issues that further complicate population distribution. The housing crisis, driven by limited land availability and high demand, affects all islands but is particularly acute on Oahu. Climate change poses another significant threat, with rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and impacts on delicate ecosystems. Section 9. Balancing growth and preservation. As we conclude our journey through the Hawaiian Islands, we're left with a profound understanding of the factors shaping their populations. The islands are a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and economic activity. Each element plays a crucial role in the lives of the residents and the overall health of the environment. From the bustling streets of Honolulu to the serene beaches of Kauai, every corner of Hawaii tells a story of resilience and adaptation. The allure of paradise, combined with economic realities and environmental concerns, creates a complex equation. Tourism, the backbone of Hawaii's economy, brings in millions of visitors each year, contributing significantly to the local economy. However, this influx of tourists also puts immense pressure on the natural resources and infrastructure. The challenge lies in managing this growth without compromising the very essence that makes Hawaii so special. Finding a sustainable path forward requires careful consideration of these interconnected factors. Environmental conservation efforts are in full swing, with initiatives aimed at protecting the delicate ecosystems and promoting sustainable practices. Local communities are increasingly aware of the need to balance development with preservation, ensuring that future generations can enjoy the same natural beauty and cultural heritage. Balancing growth with the preservation of the island's unique beauty and cultural heritage will be crucial for the future well-being of both the land and its people. Traditional Hawaiian practices and cultural heritage offer valuable lessons in sustainability and respect for nature. By integrating these practices with modern conservation efforts, Hawaii can pave the way for a harmonious coexistence between progress and preservation. Mahalo for joining us on Traveling Kangaroo. As we bid farewell to these enchanting islands, let us carry forward the lessons learned and strive to find a balance in our own lives, just as Hawaii seeks to balance growth and preservation.